How to fix sending messages failed in messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix sending message failed in the messages app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix sending message problem in your messages app, this could be on your Android or even sometimes your iOS device. Now if you're on Android, it is very simple. You can try to use other messaging applications from the list, but if you're on iOS, the process is a little bit different because you cannot use third-party messages app. So for that, open up settings over here, and then you simply want to go to the option called messages. In this case, tap on it. Now over here, you just want to make sure to turn off iMessage. If you're trying to send message to an Android user, you have iMessage turned on, you will not be able to do so. Now here you can see contact option, character count, blocked contacts, and so on. So also make sure that the recipient you're trying to send a message do not have a blocked account. Now after you've done that, sometimes it's also due to your cellular tower connection, so just make sure that you're in a place where cellular tower connection is properly strong. Then sometimes it will also be because you don't have enough balance inside of your SIM card, so just make sure you have balance in your number and then recharge it and then just try to send the messages. Hope this video helped you as to how you can fix sending messages failed in messages. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.